Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. In this video I want to show you another simple approach you can use in analyzing the market to get massive movement, to grab massive movement. Because first of all, you need to know that if you want to get a setup that can give you an idea of how long the market will go, like kind of a long catch multiple spikes or scalp for long hours, it means your analysis has to be based on what you see on the higher time frame. You have to start the analysis from a higher time frame, do a kind of a top-down analysis to understand where the market is heading to, and you have to really understand where the market is. You have to do that kind of reversal. If it is at the point it can reverse, or if it is currently in a particular trend that might not possibly reverse anytime soon. So if you're able to identify these things, it makes it easy for you to enter trades with confidence, not just to enter and grab 5 candlesticks or 1 candlestick and run away. So the first thing I usually do is to come to a daily time frame and or higher time frame. Like, since I'm using the Reef trading view, I cannot go beyond the daily time frame, so I'm on the daily time frame, and this is crash 1000. So I expect some massive sales on crash 1000 index. Alright, so based on my strategy, I only try to concentrate on the current structure the market has formed or it's forming. Like right now I can see a structure right here. There's a structure here. There's a structure here, guys. There's a structure here on this chart, and you see the market has been selling massively for some time now. So I can see a structure market forming. The market has formed right here. So what I will do, I also noticed this was a kind of a support zone, so I will mark this out, because anytime market is able to break out of this, go above this level, then we need to see some massive buys. We will see some massive buys up to maybe this level or above. You understand? So for now, the market is below it and it has formed a structure. This is a kind of an impulsive correction. The market sold impulsively. You can see these bearish candlesticks. These 3 bearish candlesticks from here. You can see it sold from here massively to the downside, impulsively. Then it started giving us this kind of movement right here. You can see what we have right here is a kind of an impulsive correction, indicating a possible change in direction. The market will actually change its direction, but it doesn't appear that it's going to change right just immediately. So I still expect some kind of spikes to the downside, some sales, before the market would think of buying. All right, so let's go to the 4-hourly time frame. Go to the 4-hourly time frame. So on the 4-hourly time frame, what do we have? Let me reset the chart. Okay, we can see what we have here on the 4-hourly time frame, and let me do a little adjustment to this trend line here. I think that's okay. Then I might need to adjust this one too if it's necessary. Yeah, it's necessary. Okay, that's okay. All right, so now on this particular time frame, now what we can see is that the market already has a strong zone right here. There is a support level here which turned a key level. This is a support, turn resistance. Market bought from this point, then got here, then sold down below this level now, and it came back and sold from this same level again, made it a key level. Then the market has been able to break above it. Now it's been buying from this level. Market has been buying from this level. Considering what we are having, you can see all these weeks. These weeks, once you see weeks like this, you understand is a rejection. So market has been buying each time it sells to this point. Market has been buying to the upside. So now, what will possibly happen, looking at it from the higher time frame perspective, is that what will happen is the market can break out of this trend line. If it can break out of this trend line, get to this level, then comes back to retest this level here, this trend line level, this key level, the market will be buying massively to the upside. That's what we can see on a higher time frame. But this will take some time, and it may not be that easy to happen, because looking at what the market is forming here, I used to tell you, when you see the market is forming a kind of market is forming red and green candlesticks at the same time, in the same, moving in the same direction, there's a chance the market is going to change direction. So looking at what we have here, if you look at what we have here, then we have an idea the market would possibly want to change direction. This is actually a correction. This one here is a correction, because the market sold impulsively to the downside. overall movement of the market is bearish. So this is an impulse, this is a correction. After a correction is another impulse, guys. So we want to see the market selling again to the downside. Market, I'm expecting some sales to the downside again. But meanwhile, let's check what is happening on the 1 hourly time frame. Mind you, you can see what happened at this point. Let's look at this point here closely, guys. You can see the market has been rejecting here. Market bought from here, bought again from this point, it sold again from point, and it's been selling from this point. So that's another resistance or key level that you need to take note of, guys. You need to take note of this level also in the market, because that is reacting to right now, and that's what is actually making the market not to break above, not to go above this point. You can see the market got to this level, it sold back to the downside, and it is in consonance with this trend line that we have here. You can see how everything works. Very simple, guys. So now what we need to do is go down to the 4 hourly time frame and see what 1 hourly time frame to see what we can grab from there, guys. Just watch. All right. So now on the 1 hourly time frame, what do we have here? Let me reset the chart once again. On the 1 hourly time frame, guys, massive spike is about to even happen now. You can see the last 1 hourly time frame candlestick that formed ended closed bearish and engulfed the previous candlestick, which was bullish. So this is a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern, and the market is going to sell from this point down. I'm expecting massive sales from this point. Market is going to sell, you see. So what I'm expecting to happen in this chart is the market would want to sell, then break below this trend line. After it's able to break below this trend line, it will come to this particular base, this key level here. I'm expecting the market to get to this key level, then buy up again to this key level somewhere. There's a kind of a key level somewhere around here. Then I'm expecting the massive sales to the downside. Market will sell massively from this point. I don't know when you're going to watch this video, but just trust me. If you can just follow up with this, maybe before you watch this video, maybe it's already played out, just try to learn from it. Just learn from it, guys. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to the 15 minutes time frame, guys. I'm going to the 15 minutes time frame. All right, so on the 15 minutes time frame, what do we have? Let me reset the chart. You can see what we have here, guys. See what we have here. So the market started selling since from here. So what I'm expecting to happen on this crash 1000 is this. What I can see from my own view is market has formed a left shoulder. I can see the market has formed a right shoulder. Sorry, a head. Now I'm expecting the market to do something like this, to come to like sell down to this level, buy again up to this level. I don't know when it will get to. Let me just see if I can draw it something like this. The market will buy up to this level, then sell massively to the downside. That's what I'm expecting to happen. Then the right shoulder will be somewhere here. Then we'll be having a head and shoulders pattern. And if you can see closely, you will notice that there is a key level around this point here. There's a key level around this same point here. There's a key level around this point. You can see market bought and sold around this point. So if the market can just do this, guys, expect massive sales to the downside. The market will sell and you'll be catching spikes if you can enter at a good entry. Mind you, like I told you in my last video on Crash 500, the market getting to this point, I think I'll be trying to follow up this. I'll try to follow up this with this analysis. The market getting to this point, it won't just hit there and start reversing immediately. A lot of things might happen. The market might be consolidating here first. It might try to form a kind of candlestick patterns. Market chart patterns like the head and shoulders pattern, or it might form a kind of a double top, or maybe some candlestick patterns that will make you know the market is about to reverse. So don't just say I said the market will get to this zone and start selling massively. So once the market gets there, you want to enter a trade. If you want to do that, then make sure you put your stop loss above here. Just put your stop loss. I only enter trades on the confirmation, so just ensure you have that confirmation. Or if you want to enter aggressively, guys, just ensure your stop loss is above here. I believe the market might not even get to that stop loss, because I'm foreseeing massive sales to the downside, guys. So I expect the market to sell. If you can just follow up with this analysis, guys, it will help. If you can be analyzing the market like this, it's very simple. You know, all you need to do is just to be able to identify when the market is correcting and when the market is actually correcting impulsively. Now, there is normal correction and there is impulsive correction. You can take note of this this kind of movement, you know what the market is possibly going to do. Like right now, you can see the market has been buying. It's a bullish trend, but this kind of bullish trend is a one that will have to change direction anytime soon. You can see it's buying and selling within this. This looks like a channel, so it will still it will spike to the downside very soon, and you'll get to this level, then buy back to this upside, then sell massively to the downside. It's very simple, guys. So just take note of this analysis and try to follow them up. Try to identify these things on the chart. It will help you improve and do a whole lot of stuff, guys. All right, so meanwhile, there's a link in the description of this video if you want to enroll in my one-on-one mentorship, so that I can be pointing some important things to you that will help you succeed in trading, guys. Click on that link. It will take you to my Telegram channel. From there, you'll find my direct contact to reach me for a one-on-one mentorship training, so that you to make the process of your learning a bit faster, because it's not as if you can't do these things by yourself. It's not as if you can't just watch some videos or study the chart by yourself. But if you look at how long it's going to take you to do that, it can take you longer, than you contacting someone who knows this thing to show it to you, So it is advisable that you always get someone to coach you, so you easily grab the information. But you can go alone, then there's no problem. Meanwhile, the link is still there in the description of the video. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel if you've not done that yet. Like this video and share your thoughts in the comment section, guys. Share your thoughts. I want the YouTube algorithm to share this video to everybody that is interested in this kind of content, guys, please. And also, you must learn how to hold some trades. The video I posted some days ago, the last video I posted on this channel, if you watch the video, you will see that the analysis went through massively. It sold massively. So if you're able to enter the trade at this point, don't be in a rush to close the trade. I know once you see some reasonable profits, you want to rush to close the trade, and you see the market still going in your direction, you'll be like, I don't know, would have still allowed the market to go that way, But just understand that you don't need to be rushing to close trades. You can just take partials. When you are already in profit, you can just take partials, allow the trade to run. The same way you were patient enough to wait for the setup to be complete. Then just try to be patient enough for the market to run. You can take partials, or you can open more than 2 or 3 positions. Then you can even close to when you have some reasonable profits and allow one to run, so that your mind will be at rest, so that you can get this money that you want to make. You can't just make money by closing trades. Once you notice a little profit, you run. Guys. So that is it. Just keep on stick to this channel. I'll keep on giving you guys valuable information that will help you grow in your trading career. So till my next video, stay blessed and peace out.